In the next series of the tailstock chuck build, we have a bearing bore to do on the opposite part of this. So that is the bearing bore there for this taper roller bearing. We have to put one in on the other side exactly in line with this, and I mean exactly in line true. So I was just sitting there thinking, there's a few ways I can do this. Let's let our viewers decide for me. If we get enough responses, I can either flip this around and set this up with absolutely no run out in the 4-jaw chuck here. That's a piece of piss. Or I can set it up and grip on this area here with the soft jaws and go through the procedure how to do it with soft jaws. So 4-jaw chuck or soft jaws. You guys decide, put it in the comments, and will choose the method that has the most comments. 4-jaw chuck or soft jaws. Cheers.